Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to sell digital products online with Gumroad. Whether it's ebooks, music, or software, Gumroad makes it easy for creators to monetize their work. Start by going to Gumroad and logging in with your Google account. Once you're on the dashboard, click Products and then New Product to begin creating your listing. Give your product a catchy descriptive name and select Digital Product as the type. Set your currency and price carefully. Pricing can make a big difference in attracting buyers. Click Customize to add a clear, detailed description of your product, upload eye-catching images or videos, and include any extra info like specifications or bonuses. You can also create a custom URL to make sharing easier. Once everything looks good, click Save and Continue, upload your files if needed, and hit Publish. And just like that, your digital product is live and ready for customers.